Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form naturalize. V2 past form naturalized. V3 past participle naturalized. V4 present par, naturalizing. V5 SES naturalizes. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb naturalize? Answer. The base form of the verb naturalize is naturalize. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb naturalize? Answer. The past form of the verb naturalize is naturalized. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb naturalize? Answer. The past participle of the verb naturalize is naturalized. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb naturalize? Answer. The present participle of the verb naturalize is naturalizing. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb naturalize? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb naturalize is naturalizes.
Verb forms. Example sentences.
V1 They want to naturalize the process of recycling in the community. V2 The government naturalized thousands of immigrants last year. V3 He has naturalized his accent after living abroad for many years. V4 The company is naturalizing its operations to comply with environmental regulations. V5 She often naturalizes complex concepts in her lectures.
Subscribe my channel.